Steelmama are the professional manufacturer for roll forming machine in China. We export roll forming machinery all over the world. The roll forming machine adopts automatic control and cut to length. The product length can be any size. The frame panel thickness is 16, which is more stable. This machine works extremely efficiently. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Ideal for manufacturers seeking reliable and high-performance roll forming solutions. Commitment: delivery within 45 days. 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.